we're going to cut across to JP Nadda, who spoke in the parliament. Listen in.
आज जो लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन श्रीमान राहुल गांधी ने जिस तरीके से आज गैर प्रजातांत्रिक तरीके से प्रजातांत्रिक व्यवस्था में लोग जो हमारे सांसद थे वो प्रदर्शन कर रहे थे, उनके साथ धक्का मुक्की की, जिसमें हमारे 2 सांसद घायल हुए, हॉस्पिटल में भर्ती हुए, उनका इलाज चल रहा है। और जो हमारी बहन कोनियाक, जो महिला सदस्य इस हाउस की है, उसको जिस तरीके से लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन ने धक्का दिया, वो शारीरिक और मानसिक प्रताड़ना के बराबर है।
जो आज कारनामा किया, हमारा लेडी सांसद को धकेल करके फिजिकली जो चार्ज किया और लोकसभा के 2 और सांसदों को श्री राहुल गांधी ने इतना जोर से धक्का मारा, खून निकला, हॉस्पिटलाइज हो गया। ये जो कांग्रेस पार्टी का बिहेवियर है, ये इतना शर्मनाक है, हम विश्वास भी नहीं कर सकते हैं।
All right, let me also bring in Rahul Gautam on this. Rahul, huge ruckus, and we know that the Rajya Sabha has been adjourned for the moment after that discussion blew out. Kiran Rijiju, JP Nadda, all pointing fingers at Rahul Gandhi, saying this is the true nature of the Congress party. They've used violence to attack 2 of their MPs who are currently hospitalized. This is how they're disrespecting Dr. B.R. Ambedkar.
Nabila, first I'll give a quick update to our viewers. At 4 p.m., Rahul Gandhi will be addressing a press conference wherein obviously he's going to take all the questions and all the allegations that are being leveled by the BJP pertaining to what really happened or what unfolded this morning. Right now I'm at RML and I have with me Dharamshila Gupta, who's Rajya Sabha MP from BJP, and she just met the 2 injured MPs here at hospital. Ma'am, आप अंदर जाकर मिले दोनों सांसदों से, क्या उन्होंने आपको बताया, क्या घटना घटी, उनकी तबीयत कैसी है?
देखिए, माननीय केंद्रीय मंत्री प्रताप सारंगी जी काफी घबराए हुए हैं और उनके सर से मतलब कि ब्लड भी गया है, उनका ब्लड प्रेशर हाई है और काफी नर्वस दिख रहे हैं और अभी वो सीटी स्कैन के लिए हैं। मैंने डॉक्टर से वहाँ बात किया, मिला तो उन्होंने कहा सीटी स्कैन आने के बाद मैं बता पाऊंगा कि क्या उनकी आगे की स्थिति है, क्या उनका यहाँ पर इलाज हो सकता है।
थैंक यू आपसे बात करने के लिए। सो दैट वाज Rajya MP from BJP. She just met 2 MPs and said that at this point of time both are undergoing medical treatment. Multiple tests are being conducted, but at 4 p.m. expect that Rahul Gandhi will be taking on all the questions and all the allegations that are being leveled against him, that he pushed or he assaulted MPs, which resulted in injuries. Clearly, it seems that that Congress has now sensed that BJP is going hammer and tongue over Rahul Gandhi, who's the leader of the opposition on this issue, and the kind of aggression that we are seeing in the entire political messaging of BJP is clearly showing and affecting the top leadership. We have to really understand that as far as Congress is concerned, they've already complained to Lok Sabha Speaker that how Rahul Gandhi was first manhandled by 3 MPs, how he was blocked while he was entering into Parliament premises through Makar Dwar. So there are allegations and counter allegations, and therefore at 4 p.m. expect that Rahul Gandhi will be coming before media persons and will be clearing the air that what really unfolded this morning when this ruckus or this scuffle happened.
Right. Well, we're looking at Shivani is also joining us there. Shivani, give us more on Rahul Gandhi's FIR. We hear that charges and sections of assault that have been leveled against him. Do we have any clarity on the kind of sections that the cops have imposed? Who were the people who were there at the police station at that point when that FIR was filed?
Nabila, we are right now at the Parliament Street police station where you can see there's a heightened security as the 2 MPs are still inside, Basuri Swaraj and Anurag Thakur, who've come here to record their statements and file an FIR against Rahul Gandhi. We do not know about the sections under which this complaint will be registered because, they are still inside. We are awaiting more information from the police. But yes, after the ruckus took place in the Parliament today morning, we saw how the MPs fell down. Two of the BJP MPs, they were injured and they are still in hospital. We've also seen how Priyanka Gandhi has now tried to defend Rahul Gandhi, saying that he did not push anybody. But here, BJP seems to take this very seriously, and that's why since last 45 minutes, two MPs from the BJP, Bansuri Swaraj and Anurag Thakur, they are still inside. They are meeting the police officials, the highest authorities, and they want to give all the details of what happened in the morning when the ruckus took place outside the parliament, when the protest was happening. So now, from the protests against Home Minister Amit Shah's statement, the focus is now on the complaint against Rahul Gandhi, and BJP claims that it was Rahul Gandhi who pushed these MPs, after which they got injured, but Congress has its own counterclaims. Nabila.
Now, well, Congress, of course, accusing the BJP MPs of trying to assault Mallikarjun Kharge. They've written that in the letter to the Lok Sabha Speaker, but is there any intention that the Congress party may have, as you may have heard, of a counter FIR?
Nabila, the situation is still developing. We are hearing a number of statements that come from the Congress party. We've heard what Priyanka Gandhi has said. She has said that Rahul Gandhi did not push anybody. In fact, Mallikarjun Kharge also fell down. He also got injured. So we are going to hear more at 4 when the Congress party is going to put out across some statements regarding what has happened. But yes, you are right. There can be counter FIRs attempted by the Congress party leaders, because they say that their leaders have also got some injuries. They have also got injuries, and they say that these protests used to take place every day outside the parliament between 10 a.m. and 11 a.m. So what happened today? What special happened today that so many MPs from the BJP were also there, and they tried to push the leaders?